everyone, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss any update from IWM Buzz.
Web censorship. Yeah, I'm an artist. I've done theatre all my life. I hate censorship.
Censorship is a very tricky subject. I feel that filmmakers of today, filmmakers from the beginning of time have been making films for a specific audience. तो जैसे जब हमने लव गेम्स बनाई थी या मस्तराम बनाई थी, which are two of my films, we made it for a specific audience that understands those concepts, that understand the language, that understand various concepts that are in the film.
Not really, but at the same time I think the makers also need to be a little more careful about that. Careful नहीं, मतलब just a little mindful of it. कि यार ज़रूरत नहीं है तो मत करो, क्योंकि कई बार like I will not take names, but there are certain web series that I've seen और उसमें जब वो physical intimacy के scenes आए हैं, I've seen them and I'm like यार अगर आपको डालना ही था तो at least you could have shot it nicely.
हमारा ताना बाना बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, हम लोग बहुत मुख्तलिफ हैं, हम लोग अलग अलग रिलीजन्स को बिलोंग करते हैं, हमारे अलग अलग खाने हैं, अलग अलग भगवान हैं, अलग अलग पहनावा है, भाषा है, और यहाँ पर अगर सब लोगों को उस किस्म की छूट मिल जाए कि वो जो चाहें कर लें, तो ये जो एक बड़ी फ्रेजाइल सी यूनिटी है वो टूट जाएगी.
I think when you look at it like that, then you think, okay, fine, this audience will understand these things. So then the censorship can be done. I mean, as per the audience that you're making, the filmmaker is making his or her film for. So it's a very tricky subject because I know all the filmmakers are making films. Like जब भी आप बच्चों के लिए फिल्म बनाते हो तो आप उसमें कई चीज़ें नहीं डाल सकते और नहीं डालते क्योंकि आप बच्चों के लिए बना रहे हो. जब आप एडल्ट के लिए बनाते हो फिल्म तो आप उनको मन में रखते बनाते हो. तो I think so that's basically I feel that filmmakers are making films for certain audience.
I feel everything should be available everywhere, and of course kids put aside. Kids should be restricted. But I come from a traditional yet contemporary modern outlook where I think everything should be available. And आपकी मर्जी यार, आपको जो देखना है आप देखो. अगर आपको कुछ बुरा लग रहा है तो आप मत देखो.
No, if the censorship comes to web, we are finished. I mean, it's not necessary that we want to show sex, but sometimes for content it does get necessary. But if the censorship comes on web, I don't think it's a good idea.
Yeah, I also don't think we should censor web. At least, एक तो छोड़ दो यार. I mean, you're putting on film, you're putting on this thing. Somewhere we have that liberty to create what we want. It's not about what we want to create edgy content, but sometimes there's something that some scenes do need it.
If you're not shooting it nicely, plus it is not adding anything to the story, then it's kind of useless. Then it's just it's a clickbait, which, ठीक है, business sense it makes sense, but narratively, creatively doesn't make sense. And which is what I liked about LLCs because ultimately जो मेरा वो एक fear था कि तुम्हारा show ऐसा ना बन जाए ऐसा, कि जिसमें just for the heck of it there are physical intimacy वाले scenes, there are sex scenes, there's nudity, etc. वो नहीं था.
Censorship कहीं भी censorship नहीं होनी चाहिए. Certification हो, which is fine. Like even films में, I think their job is to certify a film, not censor it. They can't tell a director or a producer कि अब ये काटो. They can say कि अच्छा ये है तो हम ये वाली rating देंगे. I think अगर वो हो रहा है, as far as that's happening, it's fine because आप certify करो कि आप 13 से नीचे दे सकते हो या 18 से नीचे दे सकते हो या एज, ये जो भी सर्टिफिकेशन दो, don't censor it because that's not your job to do it.
It was like very integral to the storyline and also not, उसके ऊपर मंडरा नहीं रहते कि ये देखो नहीं. That was just part of the thing, shot nicely and put aside. Then the story and the characters take over.
If you have restrictions and if you have censorship, and you must have valid reasons for, I'm not going to get into that because I'm not an intellectual, but if you have censorship for cinema, if you have censorship for television, then what are the reasons for that? And if there are genuine reasons for that, then those reasons must be valid for this as well. Because अगर आप ये चाहते हैं कि इस एंटरटेनमेंट को देखकर ये खराब रिजल्ट ना हो, तो वो एंटरटेनमेंट किसी भी मीडियम पर हो, वो वैलिड होना चाहिए, वो कंसर्न. और अगर वो कंसर्न यहाँ के लिए वैलिड नहीं है, तो फिर वहाँ के लिए भी नहीं होना चाहिए. तो someone needs to rethink this whole thing, and maybe we need to have a new set of rules for 2018. Maybe we need to let go of the old restricted censorship that we've had, and maybe we should have like a new way of looking at this.
Hi, my name is Anshuman Jha.
Hi, my name is Tara Alicia Berry.
Hi, this is Chan.
Hi guys, I'm Rajat Barmecha and
Hey, this is Gaurav.
Hi, this is Tina Singh.
And you're watching me on IWM Buzz.
And you're watching me on IWM Buzz.
you're watching me on IWM Buzz.
And IWM Buzz.
IWM Buzz.
Keep watching IWM.